Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can utilize GoldRush kit from Covalent to build a cross-chain explorer and deploy to Vercel. First, we'll start with the Studio Code and just make sure you have it installed and npm installed. Next, we will want to bootstrap React app and we call it GoldRush Simple. It will probably takes a few minutes. Once it's done, we'll want to see it and we want to install the GoldRush kit. It looks like it's done. Want to open the folders now. So once you open the folder, it looks like this. Let me expand the source. The app.js is the codes that the main entry of the website. Let's change this to import the GoldRush provider from code and want to import the CSS as well. But we might want to remove the default div. Next, we want to wrap our application with the GoldRush provider. Here we apply the API key, which will point to the env files that we are going to create later. So we don't want our API key to expose here in plain text. Bear in mind the API keys must follow this naming convention. Start with react underscore app, followed by any string that you want. Let's give this a dark mode, emerald color. Next, we want to, for this demonstration purpose, we just want to show a simple token balance and use the token balance list view components. Here we want to have the chain name. For demonstration purpose, we just want to have to get, yes, in that you can actually add more if you want, but stick to one for now. So once you save, your auto format for it. Next, we want to create our env file on the root path. So we'll get the string here and how you enter your Covalent API key. So we are good to go. Let's post this and see what we have. So here we are. We have the simple page that use covalent to rush to show the token balance. But we'll get this 401 because I didn't put in the correct string for the API key. That so I've enter my correct API keys and refresh. Probably need to start. There you go. The token balance of the address that I mentioned. Yeah. So next up, we want to push this repository to GitHub so that we can host it using Vercel. So this is my GitHub and my repository. I want to make sure you need to exclude the .env file because you don't want to push your API keys. Now. So let's push this repository first. You'll probably create a new repository. Don't have it. Next, we just put file descriptions, and we want to commit these three files. And remember, don't commit the .env file. Once you commit, and you want to push origin, where you will push to start. So once we have that, so I have a duplicate account with Vercel, and now we are trying to deploy our Git repository. We need to refresh, click the install, just authorize whatever repository that you want. So only for demo purpose, we just want to select the one GoldRush. So you have read access all the requires permission and click install. So once we have this, and just click import into Vercel and just leave it all by default. But what I want to mention here is we need to remember that we don't push our .env file. So this is how you create the .env file so that Vercel knows API keys. So once you hit deploy, it probably takes some time. So once it's done, then you will be greeted by this interface. Where when you click this, it will launch the Vercel URL that you are just hosted. So here you are. You just successfully posted the GoldRush applications to Vercel. Thank you for watching.